We'll guide you through how to sharpen your video in Wake. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve blurry or low-quality videos using Wake. Sharpening helps make details clearer and more defined, which is important for social media, content creation, or personal projects, allowing users to enhance video quality quickly without needing advanced editing skills or professional software. To begin this tutorial, open Wake on your mobile device. Once the app is open, click Agree on the pop-up for terms and privacy policy to confirm that you accept the required conditions and continue using the application. After that, click Login to access your account and begin the setup process. Next, check the box for terms of service and privacy policy to ensure that you have agreed to all necessary requirements before continuing. For example, select Login with Google so you can sign in quickly using your existing account. Then choose the Google account you want to use and wait until the login process is completed successfully so you can access all available features in the app. After logging in, click New Project to start creating a new editing project where you will enhance your video. Then choose the video you want to use from your device, for example similar to the video, so you are working with the correct file. Once the video is selected, click Start to import it into the timeline and move to the editing interface. Next, click the Edit menu to access the available editing tools. From the options provided, select the Edit feature so you can begin modifying your video. After that, click the Adjust feature to open additional adjustment settings that allow you to improve the visual quality of your video. Then swipe to the right to find more adjustment options and select Sharpen to enhance the clarity of your video. Adjust the sharpen level according to your needs to make the details appear clearer and more defined without overprocessing the image. Once you are satisfied with the adjustment, click the checkmark icon to confirm the changes. Now you have successfully adjusted the sharpen effect, and the improvement should be visible on your video. Click the play button to preview the result and make sure the sharpen effect looks smooth, balanced, and consistent throughout the entire video.